Hello Vita, your chapter running version. Continue your next paragraph. Frank what? Tableau imitating a very gentle. Imitating means copying, rather 30 wise. Dear Tableau, I have given you exactly what you deserve, no less and certainly no more. Do you know, sir? I think he may have marked me down and rather than up for taking extra work. I mean, the man's hardly human. He breaks off quickly. Sorry, sir, I have gone too far. Here, Frank asked him what Mr. Harris told him upon being asked about his result. And Tableau, imitating Mr. Crocker Harris, and told him exactly what his master answered him. Mr. Harris told him that he will get what he deserves, nothing less and nothing more. And then Taplow feels that he might have marked him down for taking extra work because he doesn't have human feelings. Then he realized that he said too much, therefore he apologized to Frank. अब देखिए यहाँ पे फ्रैंक टैप्लो से बातचीत करता है कि आपके जो टीचर हैं आपको पास कर देंगे। टैप्लो अपने टीचर की कॉपी करते हुए, उसकी आवाज़ की नकल करते हुए, जैसे उसका टीचर उसे कहेगा, क्या कहता है? Told him exactly what his master answered him. Mr. Harris told him that he will get what he deserve. कि मेरा टीचर क्या कहेगा? जितना आप डिज़र्व करते हो उतने आपको मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे, नथिंग लेस एंड नथिंग मोर, ना तो कम ना ज़्यादा. Taplow feels that he might have marked him down for taking extra work because he doesn't have human feelings. साथ में टैप्लो ये भी कह देता है कि मेरे टीचर में कोई भी ह्यूमन फीलिंग्स नहीं है, इसलिए उन्होंने में क्या, अगर आप सोचें कि मुझे एक्स्ट्रा वर्क के बदले में ज़्यादा मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे तो ये कभी नहीं हो सकता. फिर वो रियलाइज़ करता है और मिस्टर फ्रैंक से माफ़ी मांगता है कि अगर मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा कह दिया हो. फ्रैंक yes much too far. Frank asked him to repeat what he said. Taplow, sorry sir, I got carried away. Got carried away means to become overly excited and to take things too far. क्या कहता है कि श्रीमान जी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हो गया था. And Frank evidently he picks up a newspaper and open it. Ah, Taplow. Taplow, sir. Frank tells him that his imitation. And Frank, what was that Crocker Harris said to you? Just, just repeat it, or would you? Frank tells him that his imitation is not close to Mr. Harris' way of saying things, and he told him to read his books. क्या कह देता है कि आपको अपने टीचर की कॉपी नहीं करनी चाहिए बल्कि अपनी किताब पढ़नी चाहिए. एंड फ्रैंक And Frank, looking severe, not in the least like him, read your Nike's Achilles and be quiet. Taplo dislike Achilles. Here, Taplo said that, Frank said that his imitation is not close to Mr. Harris' way of saying things, and he told him to read his books. और मिस्टर फ्रैंक टैपलो को एडवाइस देता है कि अपनी किताब पढ़े, एक्सलेस की बुक जो उसके पास है. And then after that, Frank, look, what time did Mr. Cocker Harris tell you to be here? 6:30 सर. फिर उससे पूछता है कि आपको कब बुलाया है. टैपलो जवाब देता है कि 6:30 पे बुलाया था. फ्रैंक, well, he is 10 minutes late. And why don't you cut? Cut means stop doing something undesirable. वहाँ से भाग जाना. You could still play golf before lockup. Frank asked him at what time did Mr. Crocker Harris asked him to come to school. M. Toplo told him 6:30. Frank suggested him to go and play golf for a little while as he would be 10 minutes late. And Taplo really shocked. Oh no, I couldn't cut. Cut the crock, Mr. Crocker Harris. I shouldn't think it is ever been done in the whole time. He has been here. God knows what would happen if I did. He had probably followed me home or something. Taplo refuses as he is afraid of what could happen if she saw up in his absence and he might follow him home. अब टैप्लो रिफ्यूज़ करता है कि मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकता. वो अपने टीचर से डरता है कि अगर वो ऐसा करता है तो उसके टीचर पीछे पीछे उसके घर तक पहुंच जाएंगे. And Frank, I must admit, I envy. Envy means jealousy. Him, the effect he seems to have on you boys in the form, and you all seem scared to death of him. What does he do? Beat you or something? Frank tells him that he is a little jealous of Mr. Cracker Harris because of the effect he has on all the boys in the form. क्या कह देता है? उसे थोड़ी सी जेलसी हो रही है क्रॉकर हैरिस से कि क्रॉकर हैरिस की क्लास में जो बच्चे बैठते हैं उनका उनके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्ट होता है. He asked him if Harris beat student, to which Taplo says no. फिर वो पूछता है कि क्या क्रॉकर हैरिस बच्चों को मारते पीटते हैं, तो टैप्लो एकदम से इनकार कर देता है. टैप्लो, गॉड, good lord, no, he is not a sadist, and like one or two of the others. Frank, I beg your pardon. Taplo, sadist sir is someone who went on to say that some other masters. He asked him if he is not someone who drives pain by hurting others. He asked him if Harris beat student, to which Toplo says that no, he is not someone who drives pain by hurting others. Sadist means किसी दूसरे को पेन देकर खुद हैप्पी महसूस करना. There are one, two other teachers like that. Frank asked him to more specific. More specific. Taplo, well, of course, they are, sir. I won't mention names, but you know them as well as I do. Of course, I know most masters think we boys don't understand the things. And but, sir, you are different, you are young, well comparatively anyway, and you are science. You must know what sadism is. Then there are one or two other teachers like that. Frank asked him to be more specific and he explained to him the meaning of sadist. Frank asked him what he was saying about other masters. अब फ्रैंक जानना चाहता है कि जो टैप्लो है अन्य टीचर्स के बारे में उसकी क्या राय है, क्या सोचता है. एंड फ्रैंक आफ्टर pause Teklo explained to him that there are many teachers in the school whose name he will not take, but they are a sadist. क्या कहता है कि स्कूल में बहुत सारे टीचर हैं जिनका वो नाम नहीं ले सकता. वो कैसे हैं? सैडिस्ट हैं. दे थिंक दैट द बॉयज़ डोंट अंडरस्टैंड अ थिंग. वो सोचते हैं कि लड़कों को कुछ भी समझ नहीं आता है. But Frank is different from them as he is young and he is from a science background and must know about sadism. लेकिन फिर टीचर की तारीफ भी कर देता है कि फ्रैंक कैसे हैं, सभी से डिफरेंट हैं, वो यंग हैं, वो साइंस बैकग्राउंड से हैं, वो सैडियस्ट नहीं हैं. टैप्लो Frank after a pause, good Lord, what are our schools coming to? Taplo, anyway, the crocker is not a sadist. That's what I am. Saying he wouldn't be so frightened if he were, because at least it would show he had some feelings. But he hasn't. He is all shriveled up inside like a nut, and he seems to hate people to like him. It is funny that I don't know any other master who doesn't like being liked. And this here, Frank is surprising tone exclaims about the conditions of school. अब यहाँ पे क्रॉकर जो टैप्लो है स्कूल की कंडीशन पे हैरान हो जाता है, सरप्राइज हो जाता है. टैप्लो goes on ranting and about Mr. Harris. He says that Crocker Harris is not a sadist and yet he has no feelings. He is type of person who might hate it when people like him. He further says that he doesn't know about any master there who doesn't like being liked. And Frank mocks him, fun him, and says he has not seen any student using this quality for his own purpose. फिर फ्रैंक के बारे में कहता है कि मैं ऐसे किसी टीचर को नहीं जानता हूँ जो कि दूसरों की अपने पर्पस के लिए किसी दूसरे की क्वालिटी का यूज़ करे. Taplo agrees and calls Mr. Harris Crocker again, to which Frank corrects him by saying his full name. फिर टैप्लो दोबारा से अपने टीचर का शॉर्ट नेम लेता है, लेकिन फ्रैंक उसे करेक्ट करता है कि आपको अपने टीचर का पूरा नेम लेना चाहिए. ओके, थैंक यू.